What is going on, YouTube? Tom here. Quiet mode. Let's close this door. So this is pretty much, again, what I do on my days off now. Go ahead and get the defrost going on the car so I can see where I'm going. I'll just go ahead and kill that for a second to make this video. So, I discovered this morning there is yet another Cars and Coffee event local to me. This one's about 20 minutes away. It's actually closer to, like, there's a movie theater around, so it's in that parking lot. And I know before anyone says anything in the comments, yes, I know, I shaved. Some of y'all know I had a court date for a speeding ticket. Turns out I didn't even need to be there. Turns out my lawyer took care of everything for me, so I basically shaved uselessly, but oh well. I'm getting some comments saying that I look like I'm 30 in one of my videos where I explicitly said 22. I'm 23 now. So, another thing was, this is proof, people. Look, do I still look like I'm 30? 5 o'clock shadow or not? But anyway, off to this Cars and Coffee again, because that's what I do now. So I will see you all when I get there. Alright, just got done finishing my coffee. Check out some cars here. This is the first one to kind of catch my eye over here. Got 2006 Cadillac XLR-V. Not a lot of people probably remember this car. This is actually my dream car as a kid. It's XLR, most people might have heard of it. It's the C5 chassis from the Corvette with the North Star V8. And of course the V, they decided to supercharge it, so it had then whopping 400 horsepower. It's the most powerful Cadillac at the time. And of course now, as we know, they're well over 600 horsepower, supercharged. And of course now the Mustang, it has the same power, NA. But man, this car is clean. I talked to the owner, and real humble guy. It's just one of those, it's rare, you know, like Doug DeMuro is always saying if he saw this at Cars and Coffee, he'd be more likely to look at that. And that's kind of how this was with me. Like, man, forget all these Corvettes. There's actually a lot of Corvettes today, but it's like, I gotta check out this Cadillac.
turn up. Let's go.
It's looking like the car show has winded down. Still got some traffic in here just because this is at a Starbucks. But it looks like the last GTO is leaving. It was the guy who put on the show. All in all, pretty nice show. We got a good number of some unique and interesting cars. A lot of nice people. Some of the same cars, some different cars. Some pretty amazing stuff out here. Stuff you just wouldn't expect to see. And this is actually not a bad show for one I did not even know existed until this morning. And of course they moved it to a new location, so the problem is you probably had some people that didn't realize that. So hopefully if I do come out to this one again, it'll be definitely a bigger show. And of course the big one is this was a pretty big show for the summertime. In Florida, shows in the summer are never as big as shows in the winter. In the wintertime, you get all the snowbirds. They bring their cars. So you're going to have a lot better shows in the wintertime than in the summer. All in all, as I seem to always like to do with these, let me know what your favorite car was, excluding my car. Because believe me, I do love my car, but this type of show, this definitely was not about my car. There were a lot of Corvettes. So I tried to get some of the stuff that wasn't Corvettes. So let me know what your favorite was down in the comment section below. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. We'll always appreciate a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. Help this channel grow. Anyway, take care. Have a good day.